Hey, what's up guys, this is Devin from Sword Airsoft. I'm just doing an unboxing video. I got 2 boxes from Airsoft GI, so let's get started. My first order, well, I wanted to get a couple of shirts and then get a couple of my friends' some shirts, so. Let's see what we got. Alright, so first shirt. It's just a standard Airsoft GI shirt. They had a little deal. If you paid over $80 for a purchase, you get a free shirt. So alright. Okay, so my first one's the Bob the Axeman shirt. Pretty legit. Then I also got a Chair Softer shirt. You don't want to be like those losers, right? Then I got my friend a Door Kicker shirt. I also got me one of these too. And then also got my other friend Major League Sniper shirt. So to the next box. This next one is pretty much, I just bought like a crap load of tactical stuff. So I'm really excited. We're actually going to play a game tomorrow. I'm excited to use it all. Alright, so the first thing we have is a assault backpack. As you can see, lots of pockets. It's MOLLE compatible, so I'm really excited to use that. Let's see. And all my tactical stuff that I ordered, I got in OD. So, I got my tactical vest. I purchased some knee pads. It's a pain in the butt when you're playing, you get crap all over your pants. And then I got just a standard hat that's compatible with a patch. And then I also got a dump pouch. These come in handy a lot when you're in a tight situation. Just throw your magazines that you already used in them. Okay. Also got, this is a dual magazine holster, and this is all MOLLE compatible. Each of these slots though can hold up to 2 AK-47 magazines, so you can hold up to 4 in all. And then I also got a MOLLE compatible pistol holster, so I'm excited for that too. I used to use a drop leg holster, but they're really annoying when you're running around. They just flop around and it's a pain in the ass. And then I got a small utility pouch, just put miscellaneous items and crap. I bought a 500 round capacity D-Boys magazine for my AK. And then I also got another free Airsoft GI t-shirt. And that's about it. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure you comment, subscribe, like, all that crap. And I'll see you next time on Sword Airsoft.